Kia ora. It's nearly March, so I thought I'd tell you about the pronunciation of the Māori words for March. There are two options. Maehe, which is a transliteration of March, and this is the Māori word Pou tu te rangi. So, let's look at this first one. We've got a macron over this A, and we always put a break after every vowel, like that. So, maehe. And we've got the breaks, but we still glide them together. Maehe, maehe, maehe. And then pou tu te rangi. This is a very good example of the pronunciation of the letter T in Te Reo Māori. If there's an I or a U after the T, you pronounce it T. But if there isn't an I or a U, it's like te. So this is pou tu te rangi. Pou tu te rangi. And you might also enjoy looking up the meanings of these Māori names for the months. That's very interesting, and the history behind them. And the other thing I wanted to say is that to make sure you know that we've got an online membership site. You can go to Te Reo Singalong.online to find out more about it, and there we do lots and lots of things about things like this, the month names, and also focus on one of our books each month. So make sure you know about that. Look at the sample ones there and see whether that would suit you. You can have a school subscription, so you just pay one and every teacher in your school can be part of it. Hopefully you'll be able to enjoy that as well. Ka kite.